Hello friends, welcome to method 3 for solving the question given that 1 over x equals 4 and 1 over y equals 7, solve for xy divided by x plus y. Somewhere else on internet I used method 1 and 2, and if someone watching that website mentioned method 3 to me, so that's where I got this method 3 from. So let's get into it. That 1 over x equals 4, 1 over y equals 7, solve for xy divided by x plus y. Step 1, we just solve for x and y. If 1 over x equals 4, then x equals 1 over 4. Like I cross multiplied, or if 1 divided by x is 4, it means 1 divided by 4 is x. And if 1 divided by y is 7, then 1 divided by 7 is y. So x is 1 over 4, y is 1 over 7. And now we just substitute into the equation xy over x plus y is 1 over 4 times 1 over 7 over 1 over 4 plus 1 over 7. And we simplify, we multiply the top, that's 1 over 28. We find a common denominator. This is similar to what we did in method 2. It's 7 plus 4 over 28, which is 11 over 28. It's 1 over 28 times 28 over 11. That's the rule of fractions. Dividing by 11 over 28 is the same as multiplying by 28 over 11. So now with 1 over 28 multiplied by 28 over 11, the 28's cancel each other out, and we're left with 1 over 11. And that's the answer using method 3. And thank you all for watching.